Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple Play-Doh recipe that you can adapt to your sensory preferences and needs, and that you can use for a whole range of teaching and learning activities. Here goes. How to make Play-Doh. And ingredients: 2 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of salt, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, 4 tablespoons cream of tartar and food colouring. Here's our flour, here's our salt, here's our oil, here's our cream of tartar, here's our food colouring, and we're also adding some essential oils. I'm going to start by measuring our flour. We need 2 cups in our measuring jug. It's very fluffy, we need to tap it down, and we measured out 2 cups. We're going to pour it into our bowl and then add 1 cup of salt. Pouring the salt into the jug and measuring it up to 1 cup. And adding it to our dry ingredients, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. Next, we're doing our wet ingredients, starting with 2 cups of boiling water. Use the kettle to boil the water. Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll also add about a teaspoon of food colouring and some drops of your favourite essential oil. Watch how the oil floats to the top of the water. Now we're adding some drops of essential oil. I think it's going to smell beautiful. Adding some food colouring. Watch how the water instantly turns dark blue. Watch while we add the blue water and oil mixture into our flour. The dry white powder quickly gets flooded by the blue liquid. We're going to stir it around and watch it mix together. Watch the flour change. Watch them combine and become a dough. We're using our wooden spoon to mix the ingredients together. But soon it becomes very thick and gluggy. So we're going to get some flour and sprinkle it on a hard surface to stop it sticking. Put our dough onto the surface and we're going to knead it with our hands, squishing it and folding it over, continuing to mix all those ingredients very well together until it all comes together into a smooth, supple dough that we can easily play with. It smells beautiful, it feels beautiful. Next, we're going to take our Play-Doh and we're going to practice some skills for making things with our Play-Doh. We can roll a ball by rolling it between our hands or on a hard surface round and round to make a ball. Next, we're going to make a snake or a log. We do that by getting our lump of Play-Doh and with our flat palms rolling back and forward on the hard surface of the table. The more we roll, the longer and thinner our snake becomes. I'm going to roll my snake into a spiral. I didn't have a rolling pin, so I used a cylindrical container to roll out a flat shape with the Play-Doh. Just like a pancake or a pizza or a pastry, can use that flat surface to do lots of different things, such as cutting shapes. I've used the lid from the container to cut some circles. Next, I used some items I found in the garden. I found some gum leaves. I'm pressing them into the Play-Doh to make a print. How many circles did I make? 1, 2. 2 circles, they could be biscuits. How many leaf prints? 1, 2, 3, 4 leaf prints. There's so many things we could learn and do with our Play-Doh. But when we're going to store it, we're going to pack it safely in a sealed container. So we've made our Play-Doh. Let me know if you make some Play-Doh. What colour are you going to make your Play-Doh? Are you going to add some scents or some textures? You could add some glitter or lavender flowers, cinnamon, spices, lots of different ways that you can make your Play-Doh creative and smell and feel the way you like. What are you going to make with your Play-Doh? Maybe you can send us some pictures of some things that you make with your Play-Doh. Bye for now.